Hi everyone, if you're liking this simple yet elegant look, then please continue watching the rest of the video. Take a brown eyeshadow and start blending it on your crease. Always start from the outer corner, then moving to the inner part. Now I have taken a lighter brown shade and blending it with the darker one. And notice I am tapping the eyeshadow and not swiping the brush. So you do the same. When we tap the brush, the eyeshadow looks more pigmented. I'm tapping it upwards because I'm rooting for a lifted eye look. I know it looks like a lot of work and even boring, but trust the process. Patience is the key here. Blend the lightest shade, maybe matching to your skin tone, from the brow bone. Then take a shimmery gold or a champagne color eyeshadow and press it on your lid. Keep tapping because you don't want to leave any gaps. Then I've created a little wing with a brown eye pencil. You can do it with a brown eyeshadow too. Now I'm blending it with a brush. I'm trying to blend the wing with the eyeshadow that I've applied there on the outer corner. Now I'm applying some gold glitters. Look at the difference it makes. Wow. Come closer and see. Take some micellar water and clean the edges with a brush. Then I took Glam Absolute Mousse Foundation. It's perfect for my skin because I have oily skin in summers. Also, it's very light and it doesn't feel like you're wearing any makeup. Then some concealer here and there and there. And then tap it away. Be careful at the edges. You don't want to ruin your eye makeup that you spend nearly 2 hours on. After setting and bronzing, I took these lipsticks or lip gloss by Mars. I'm taking the darkest shade and applying the lipstick like the usual way. These lip glosses are so good, perfect for Indian skin tones, and they are not transferable, they do not leak, very light, and I love them. Look at that, so good. Now I'm applying the same brown eyeshadow on my lower lash line, smoking it out, applying some mascara, highlighting my inner corners. So good. Now I'm posing, feel like a model. Smile. Now I'm applying some highlighter on the middle part of my lips, and because I like it, some more poses with my hair open. Side to side pose. Come closer, see how the real makeup looks. You can wear this look with Indian outfit as well. If you like the video, consider subscribing, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.